Hello everyone, I am Akash Rajput and I am software developer by profession. I am passionate about sharing my knowledge and experiences with you. Let's grow by knowledge together. So in today's video, we will go through the BERT AI model. Ever wondered how computer understand the nuance of human language? How it rectifies if the review is positive, negative, or neutral, or how it rectifies the email is spam. So, BERT stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. It is cutting edge model developed by Google and it is a game changer for neural language processing NLP. Okay, so it is used for wide range of tasks like sentimental analysis, like if something is written in text, so what is the sentiment, what is the feeling on that particular text. So it is used for that, like if it is that text sentiment is like positive, negative, or it is neutral. So these things. Okay. So, unlike older models that reads text sequentially, BERT understand context by looking at words from both left and right at the same time. The bidirectional approach combined with the power of transformers allowed BERT to capture the deep contextual meaning of words. Okay, so now we will see how easy it is easy to use the BERT text classification by doing the coding. Okay, so for that, we need to install these TensorFlow transformers, TF Keras. Okay, and I'll create one new Python file. I will name it as BERT. Okay, so here we will be using the transformers library from Hugging Face. Okay, so from transformers we will import the pipeline. Okay, we are using pre-trained BERT model, especially fine-tuned for multilingual sentiments analysis. Okay, so for that we will write pipeline classification model equal to NLP slash word dash base dash estimate. Okay, it is correct. So now let's use some text. Let's say mm, this product is amazing. Okay, so now result equal to classifier. We need to pass this text and okay, here I have written test this text and print this result. Okay, so I just want to format it. So let's run this file. Okay, so it takes a bit time to run. Let's see how much time it will take. Okay, so we got the output. Here we can see label as 5 star, and score here is like confidence score. Like this model have how much confidence on that particular text which we have given. I'll give one more example. I am not feeling good. Let's run this one. See here, I have written like good, right? So now you can see two stars, okay, and the confidence score is 0.4, right? And if I write, I am feeling okay. So I just said okay. So it is kind of like neutral, right? So here you can see label as 3 star. Means it is not very good, it is not very bad, it is like kind of neutral. So it has given 3 star, and the confidence score is like 0.72 for this text. So yeah, this is all about, but for text classification, this is like a very powerful tool to understand the human language. Okay. So if you found this video very helpful, so please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you have some questions, you can leave the comment. I will answer. Okay. So thank you so much.